Today I am taking a young man to prom in my Aventador SVJ. He's had a tough time at school. He asked for an SVJ. Some guys from another car club I know hooked it up. So yeah, join me as we take him to prom in my Gumball wrapped SVJ. A young man named George. He's had a few issues at school. His friends all kind of like booked a prom mobile without him and left him out. He didn't know what he was going to do. His dad told him he was walking, obviously as a joke, but a car club called Apex Supercar Club has organized to take him to prom. So there's several cars going. I think he's jumping in this car because it's the car he asked for, but I think altogether there's about 5-6 cars taking him, supercars that is. So should be quite good. And ha 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 to those bullies, and shame on you to the friends that dropped him out. I remember the days of my prom. That was a long time ago. I went to my prom in a stretch Chrysler 300C. For some context, I would have loved to go in an Aventador, but I understand the thing that it's a communal thing, so he should be able to go with his friends. Even if his friends were all in different supercars by this club, it would have been cool. But the fact that his friends kind of left him and then booked a car without him, I don't think that's very fair, but yeah, such is life sometimes. Anyway, prom signifies the end of school, so hopefully now he'll make new friends and stunt on his old ones. So interesting story, I forgot to pay for my fuel when I stopped to get fuel, so I had to go back and pay, but we're on our way now to wish this boy a happy prom day. So we are here now. We have a full lineup of cars. My SVJ's here. We've got this GT4, GT3 RS. Aaron organized it. Good job. So it's pretty epic. Should be a pretty fun prom journey for this man. How you doing? Are you excited, yeah?
Yeah, really.
Yeah. Do you know which car you want to go in?
Yeah. Yours, hopefully.
Okay, yeah, all right. Yeah, you made the right choice. So yeah, it should be pretty epic. I've got all the Gumball liveries on there still. I'm not sure if it'll be more embarrassing or less embarrassing. I feel like it might be slightly embarrassing rolling up to your prom with like so many old men, but it is what it is. He's a car guy, so the car guys have to come and support. So yeah, we're prepping to leave. It's a really cool lineup. It's a very diverse lineup, I would say. Some really cool cars out here. The neighbors have come out to spectate. He's filming. This is like filming Inception. I'm filming you, filming me, filming you. That's crazy. But yeah, now I like helping people out, and I like it when people have been having hard times that they can, you know, have a community come together and help them out and show them a good time, because no one likes to be in school when people are just being all right, so George, if we jump in, I'll show you exactly what you need to do to get out of the car when we pull up. Yeah, keep it off. No, man, we're not driving that far, are we? Put it on, so you can come out the car, but don't button it up. So you want to leave it unbuttoned, so when you come out the car, you can button it up when you come out. It looks so cool. So basically, what we're gonna do is you're gonna. Why do you want to know a school's name, you weirdo? So basically, to get out, what you want to do, you press this button here, and you pull up, and then you pop the door open with the other hand. Yeah, so push down, pull up, and then it'll pop open. Cool, sweet. Let's get going. Just pull the string to close the door. Here we go. So we're rocking up to the school now. How you feeling? You're coming in the convoy. You got the best cars. That's what I'm talking about. That's a cool little entrance you have. Cool little prom entrance. So as we wait to rock up to the prom, I never realized that proms was such a big thing. There's a lot of people here watching the entrance of the cars, which is really interesting. It's almost as if someone told them that my man here was going to have a supercar convoy dropping him off. This must be the most busy prom I've ever seen in my life. Wow. So how do you feel right now? The whole world spectating your entrance. You loving it?
Yeah.
I love that. So there he goes. He's done his entrance. So we've dropped him up now. It was so cool to see the smile on his face. It's actually quite busy. His brother Charlie's running back now. That was epic. Yeah, that has definitely made this year. That is it. So yeah, no, I tried to do a meet in London today, but no one actually turned up. But I've got my car here anyway. But yeah, I'm just here with some random strangers. Yeah! It's a wonderful Saturday morning. I brought my Gumball SVJ to London for people that wanted to see SVJ from Gumball. So say hi, people from... Hello. So I guess this is Tomi gang or Gumball SVJ, we want to see your car gang. But it's one or the other. But I thought it would be nice to bring my car out because when we tried to go to Battersea on the day, we actually got stuck in traffic and then a car broke down. So a lot of people couldn't turn up to see the car. We didn't make it to Battersea because it got locked off. But I brought my SVJ out and I brought friends with me. So we've got Adrian 765, Ish's Performante, Brad's G3RS and Ricky's 488. We got it lined up so everyone could take pictures and stuff and we could just have some vibes. But yeah, I thought it was really important to bring my car out so that you guys can see it. Someone came from New Zealand, but they're gone. I was gonna say something today. New Zealand, from New Zealand. They didn't come from this, it was just a coincidence they were in the country, yeah. But yeah, I thought I'd bring my car out. So yeah, it's a nice little vibe. This has been a weekend of giving back for the people that give me everything, especially because I took the kid to the prom yesterday. But yeah, now these guys, you guys are the reason I do everything, by the way. So say what's up, guys. Tommy, where's the enthusiasm? Yeah, I love that. Yeah, I'll be back. Hi, Daniel's here. Look at the interior of his Urus, banging. Serious spec. Was it matte before? Yeah, this is hard. Banging. I like the spec, you know. I like this. Rev, please. Rev it. You can't hear me. Oh, that sounds really good. A Krapovich, isn't it? That's banging. That's banging. It's overheated, it won't let me rev it anymore. It's cool. I'm a spotter all of a sudden. What did you do? Louder. So we are in this random location next to this random art gallery. They're probably going to be annoyed that we're here, but we've parked up and the guys have come down to take a picture of the car. It's been a great day today, showing my Aventador SVJ with the Gumball livery to those that couldn't make it to Gumball. I felt bad, so I thought I'd bring it out, and some of my friends came out to support as well. Daniel's coming in here, Urus wrapped with the satin black, that looks gorgeous. G3RS again, Marlboro wrapped 765 LT, random dude looking in my car. Say hello, random dude looking at my car. And then we've got some other cars back there. But yeah, I thought I'll pull it out for everyone to enjoy. Hey, you are on YouTube. Everyone's on my YouTube video now. You are all on my YouTube video now. But yeah, no, thanks guys for coming down. And I hope you didn't have to wait too long at Battersea if you came to Battersea. But I'm here now. I'm hungry, so we're going to head off soon. But it's been a pleasure with you guys today. Oh, hello. Are you right there? Yeah, I like your top. That's a nice top. Turn around for the camera. Yeah, that's a nice top. I like that. Lucky wheel. I like it. But yeah, this is a bunch of the guys have gone now, but we're going to head off in a second, get some food. And then, yeah, it's been a pleasure. Thank you guys for coming out and supporting Operation London stuff. Yeah, Operation Tomi, yeah. So whoever it lands on is the person that gets a lift in my car. Who is Jack M? Yes! Yeah, so you get it. Nice on Jack M. Yeah, it's nice on Jack M.